Hello, hope you're all doing well. Today, in this talk, we'll go over the good strategy, bad strategy, chapter 10, which is on focus. I think this is an interesting chapter, and you'll see in the next chapters that Dr. Rumelt is really kind of giving some refinements and some overall touches on top of his basic concept of strategy, and they're quite useful and really built on his experience over time. In this chapter, he's looking at the idea of focus. That is, how do you know what a company's really doing and what their real strategy is? And he gives a good example there, and I think it's very relevant. What happens often if you're a consultant or you're doing strategic thinking, you'll see the management or the publications, the PR, and different things that are written or said about the company are actually not true. Companies, for example, will all say, our advantage or differentiating factor is that we provide great customer service, or that we're quick, or that we do things in an innovative or out-of-the-box way. And often it's just simply not the case. They do things very normal, just like other companies, etc. So the point here is that you have to get deeper into what a company really does and see what they're really doing in order to develop what their strategy is. Part of the fun of being a consultant and doing strategic plans for companies is that you get to talk to a lot of people. You have to talk to a lot of people. If you start at the top, the board members and the CEO, you get a certain story, which is often very accurate from their point of view. It's exactly what they are seeing or hoping for. But as you go through the team and you see the head of the different departments, the people more back in the back office operations, maybe you talk to some big clients and hear what they have to say. You start developing a much more well-rounded picture. And that picture will be different from what any one person, even the CEO, might say. So the thing to do is enjoy that part, talk to as many people as you can, put all that together, take a step back, and really see, what are these guys really doing? Then you can have, and that's all part of the honesty element of developing a good strategy, you can start from what's really going on, make sure everybody understands that, and you start coming up with your ideas and your solutions to the goals they have based on the realities of the situation. So I think that's a very good point. It's a really intellectual exercise to figure out what's going on. It takes some depth. Don't pick the first answer. Don't listen to the first thing that people say, but really get in there. And I think you'll really enjoy what you're doing. All right? Thanks a lot.